How to change Bongo cat skin. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to change the Bongo cat skin in a quick and easy way. Whether you want to customize the color, add accessories, or create your own style, I'll show you how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the Bongo cat site. Go to Bongo cat using your web browser. Step 2. Enter the customization menu. Press the C key on your keyboard. This opens the customization panel. Step 3. Change your skin. Now, you can select the body color of the cat, the pale color, and more. There are several themes and styles to choose from. Step 4. Add accessories. Use the other options to add hats, glasses, headphones, and backgrounds. It's all about creativity. Just click and try different combinations. Download or share. Once you're happy with your custom Bongo cat, you can record your screen, take a screenshot, or just use it live. Bonus tip: if you're using a custom version from GitHub, you can edit the skin images directly. Just replace the image files in the assets folder with your own PNGs using the same name. And that's it. That was the tutorial on how to change Bongo cat skin and make it truly your own. If you found the tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.